Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Wednesday morning, July 18th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, we have corn trading 3 to 4 cents lower, soybeans 6 to 8 cents higher, and wheat about 6 to 7 cents lower. Now, it appears that these markets may be getting a little toppy. We've talked about technically the markets are overbought. And oftentimes it's just a technical level that turns the market around. Now, again, I still believe that any correction will meet aggressive buying. Yesterday there was some talk of China canceling orders. Now, I don't give a lot of credence to those types of rumors. China is notorious for saying one thing and then doing something else. Perhaps they'll say they're canceling orders so that the price comes down and they could buy it a little cheaper. Think about that. But there's a lot going on here, and this is far from over. This is a real drought. Things are likely to get worse, in my opinion. I think things are, things being the severe drought conditions are far more widespread than what we realize. And again, I think things still get worse. The market should go through a correction. There's a lot of talk lately that the EPA can reduce the mandate on ethanol blending. That had spooked the market last week on that crop report. We saw a big down day, and then a day later we were higher. Now, there's still a possibility that that can happen. I don't know if that's a game changer. It may be the catalyst to a bigger, deeper, more meaningful correction that ultimately becomes a buy opportunity. But I'm also reading that President Obama is meeting with Agricultural Secretary Tom Vilsack this morning, and I don't think it's about the ethanol blending at all. I think it's more about getting emergency aid loans, low interest loans to farmers that need some help right now. But the market right now, corn is a little lower. We'll see how it ends up today. Again, there's still a lot to be concerned about here. If the market goes through a good correction, it should be a good buy opportunity. There's even talk this morning, there's a lot of concern about water levels dropping to a point that restrict barge traffic on the Mississippi, to Missouri, to Ohio. These rivers are ways that the grains get transported. And if that happens, then they're going to have to find alternate means of transportation, which would be more expensive, and that would affect the price of the crop also. So again, there's a lot of moving parts here. There's a lot to talk about. There's a lot to think about. I would be glad to answer any of your questions. Please feel free to give me a call, 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.